Hey, you guys, hi. That is so fake. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Bree. Yes, I'm not that YouTuber, okay? Hey y'all. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna Monet, okay? My channel's name is #like Bree because I'm about to show y'all how to do everything #like Bree, okay? Like, y'all don't know who I am. That's cool. That's all right, okay? But we gonna get past that because, girl, we about to be friends, okay? Me and you, friends. Welcome me to YouTube. Yes, okay, because listen, this is my first YouTube video and it's about to be lit, all right? So let me tell you. So I'm from Philly. I'm 20 something years old. That's all y'all need to know. Bree, 20s, Philly, lit. So girl, this is going to be a 3-part series, okay? The first part will show you how to construct the wig. The second part, I will be showing you how to get over some stumbling blocks because y'all already know we are not professionals. So we're going to slip up in some places. So I got you with that on part 2. And then on part 3, that's going to be the part that y'all just have been waiting for. The styling and everything of the wig to make it look fabulous. So you guys, I ordered this hair from a company in Indonesia. I won't be telling you what company it is because I'm actually trying to start my own hair company. So, I mean, I will let you know what's up with the hair though. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's lit. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's soft. I'm gonna let y'all know how long it lasts so that y'all might crawl on over to Insta and be like, sis, can I get 2 bundles in a closure? And I might be like, girl, I think you might need 3 because they kind of thin. So like, that's what this is for. This is a trial and error so that I can supply y'all with that good. The stuff you really want, sis. Okay, so I'm going to be working with 2 12-inch bundles and a 10-inch 6x6 closure, okay? My intention is to make a little Babiana, but I'm going to give y'all a little spoiler. It's going to come out to be something else in the end. So just start the journey right here, sis. Start with part 1. So, you know, girl, just keep on watching and let's get into this video. It's gonna be so great. Okay, it's gonna be so great. Yes. All right, so let's get started. So you're gonna need a dome cap, elastic band, needle and thread. You should thread about 3 needles just to keep you moving. Scissors and also the hair. So I have a 6x6 closure that's 10-inch, and then I also have 2 12-inch bundles, girl. So let's get to it. Okay, so I begin creating my wig by measuring how much hair I need to complete the first line at the bottom. Then I cut it to length and then I start to sew. So when sewing, you have to make sure that you put your needle only through the mesh and not the elastic band that's attached to the dome cap. If you do that, the dome cap will not fit at the end. So I put my needle through the dome cap and then through the weft itself, and I make sure that I tie it about 3 times really tight at the beginning, and you see the sort of loop that I did, that makes sure that it's really secure. So as you guys can see, these wefts are really thick, so I'll be showing you 2 different ways to sew your wig together, because girl, we don't have time to be out here hurting ourselves with this needle. We don't have 3 days to be sewing this wig together. So listen, just pay attention, and we about to finish this wig in like what, 3 hours tops, I promise. Okay, so we're getting to the end. So basically we just want to do the same thing that we did at the other end, loop it and tie it 3 times. Okay, Alright, so now we're starting with the next track, starting fresh, okay? So we're going to sew that across, and then here's where we're going to do the flip over method. So all we have to do is when we finish sewing at that end, we take the weft and we basically pin it to the other side and just flip that track right over, okay? And so what you're going to do from this point is just continue sewing just like you started a new track. So, you know, it's just a continuous sew. Keep on sewing, sis, and make your wig. Alright, so I was too embarrassed to show y'all, but how about I actually cut my finger with this needle, because these wefts are so entirely thick that like the needle just slipped and sliced my whole finger open. Okay, so listen, I'm about to show y'all an easier way. So if you look, you'll see me putting the needle through the dome cap under the weft and then just pulling it really tight. Okay, watch it again. Through the dome cap, under the track, and then pull it really tight. Okay, so this method is just as effective as going right through the track. The only thing is that you cannot start off this way at the ends. Like, you have to go through the track at the end so that it's super secure, but then when you get like towards the middle, girl, you better sew under those wefts, okay? Because we don't have time to be injuring ourselves. Like, honestly, do y'all see how much faster and how much more smoothly this is going this way? Do yourself a favor, go under the tracks, not through the tracks, okay? What did I say before? 3 hours, girl? If you go under these tracks in the middle, your wig will be done in about 2 hours and 15 minutes, okay? Y'all know that I'm here for the trial and error, right? Look at this error that I made in sewing down this closure, okay? Annie is like, absolutely not, okay? So look, I sewed the closure way too far up. So to do it correctly, what you need to do is make sure that the closure lines up with the beginning of the dome cap. So you'll need about 5 T-pins to make sure that you can pin it all the way around, make it very, very flat. And girl, your closure will be perfect. Yes. Okay, so when sewing down the closure, first I go through the closure, okay? Because y'all know that little knot that's at the end of the thread? I don't really like that knot showing anywhere, so I just put it right underneath the closure. So not under the closure, and then go through the dome cap and then right back through that closure. Oh my gosh, did y'all see how that needle like just missed my fingernail? Whew, this is some hard work, y'all. Basically, I'm a doctor out here doctoring up these wigs, and I'm risking my life every day. So appreciate me, y'all, please. So make sure that you're sewing very close together, okay? Because you don't want any gaps whatsoever, because remember that we're going to have to cut off that mesh that's right underneath this closure. So make sure that you're sewing really, really close, okay? All the way around. It's going to take a while. So y'all already know sis is about to speed it up because we got things to do. Like, we about to be out here making this wig in 2 hours now. First I told y'all 3 hours, and I told y'all 2 hours and 15 minutes. Girl, now we're down to 2 hours because we have places to go. Okay? Y'all, look, the closure is down. The closure is down. Is so well, and Annie is like, thank you, girl. You're welcome, Annie. Okay, so y'all must know I have some tea to spill about this part right here. I know y'all saw that big gap, alright? So if y'all want to know the tea, please watch my second video, part 2. We'll tell you what you need to know, but if you just gonna rock with me for part 1, then girl, you don't get the sauce, alright? So just watch this, okay? Alright. Alright, so this is the last thing that I have to show y'all. I promise after this I will leave you alone, okay? So I skipped to the top track to show you guys how to close up the space between the closure and the track that follows it. So what you need to make sure that you do is to basically sew the track right up against the closure to the point where you're putting your needle through the closure and then through the dome cap and then right through the weft. So it's like you're not even moving the needle really. It's just like needle through the closure, needle through the dome cap, then needle right through the weft. Like you can see how close it is. It's basically like right on top of each other. It lines up perfectly. Girl, we done made it to the end. Like, look at this. Full, laid, no gaps, perfect. Like, it's a wig, girl. It's a wig. It's a wig. Okay, so if you like what you have seen so far, please continue to watch because I trust that y'all will learn something. Because, sis, we all run out of here sometimes. Ain't no shame in our game. We about to split those wefts in the next video, okay? Get you a friend. Be like, friend, come watch this video with me, okay? So you and your friends go over and watch the next video. Yes, you already know the deal. Like, subscribe, and all that other stuff that they be telling y'all to do. Just do it for your girl.